So there's like this new web application called Invideo.io, and what it basically does is it allows you to create like a Facebook story, a YouTube landscape, a Facebook post, an Instagram story. It allows you to create any one of those that I just said, those kind of like videos, or like it's like a template for a video maker. So usually people will make a Facebook post or a Facebook story, but before they upload it to Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, they like use an editing software, like a video editing software, to like add like cool effects like transitions and like pop-up text and all sorts of things. And so Invideo makes it easy because, for one, it's web-based, so it means you can access it anywhere just by going to the URL. And two, they make it really easy to use, like no coding involved. Like you don't even really, there's not like that deep of a learning curve. It's basically drag and drop video editing, or like if you create ads for companies that like sell products, this would be perfect for that, because it allows you to do stuff so quickly, so easily, that you can just like keep spitting out different types of videos. So it's a very cool application. They're not paying me to like say that they're cool at all. It's $20 a month if you get like the regular plan, but I just did like month by month because I didn't know if I'm going to be using this or not with this new business venture that I'm doing. But it turns out that I am going to be making like ads for like products. I'm gonna be doing websites, all sorts of things. So I just need Invideo, and I think you guys would love it too. Here's a quick tutorial of it. Here is Invideo.io. Of course, you're going to want to create an account first. You can use my code. It'll be in the description down below. Once you create an account, of course, because if you don't create an account, you're gonna have to like use their watermark on all your videos that you create, which no one likes that. So they have a pretty cool landing page. They give you easy options to click: Facebook story, Instagram story, Facebook news feed, Instagram post, whatever it may be you're trying to get across. What I'm trying to do is create an ad for this product that I'm selling. So we're just gonna run through what I would do on a normal ad creation process, so you guys can like also get the gist of it and see if you want to get it. So I'm gonna click Facebook newsfeed. Click it, it automatically populates what's hot. Like the these are like ads, and you can hover over and you can see like a little preview of how it would look. Some of the ads that you see are a lot longer than others. They also have it broken up into sections where you can see just added. You can see editor's pick. Honestly, it all comes down to personal opinion and which one fits your product or what you're trying to get across. So my product that I'm trying to sell is like some fake videos. So I'm thinking like maybe something like this, or like this. Great sale. Yeah, let's try this one. So you can see that some of them include sound in the videos, which is cool. You can choose the size that you want. Click use this template once you found the right one. All right, now here is like the video editor is what I want to call it. So first things first, if you're good with editing, go ahead and click advanced timeline right here, because that will make it look more familiar to people who use iMovie or Final Cut Pro X. If you're new to editing, basic timeline should be fine, but if you want to do like a little bit of like title editing or picture editing, you're gonna need to click advanced timeline, just because it makes it easier to see which is which. Click the first one, offer valid till February. I'm gonna change this to the price. Then I'm gonna click the picture and it shows me where it is right here. Okay, and it says also that it has a zoom from out transition. So when I wanna replace this, I need to include this zoom from out transition on my new picture. That way it'll keep like the same exact style. I want to go ahead and delete this by hitting the delete button on my keyboard. Okay, now go upload. And here's where you can upload a picture. Click upload and find your picture. Mine's already here, so I'm gonna use that. You just drag it onto the board. Just like that. And you can resize it, of course. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so now it says none right there. That's the image that I just added. So what I want to do is click that, and here is where you can choose which transition you want. So if you didn't like the one that it had to begin with, you can choose your own, and if you just hover over it, it shows you a little preview of what it is. And they have a bunch of different transitions, so I'm sure you're gonna find one that you really like. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use the one that they gave us. Okay, now I wanna change the word great sale to say huge sale. I'm gonna say get, instead of 25%, I'm going to say 50%. Okay, so that's just very basic editing. Of course, on the template, you can change up all of this. You know, you can drag this here if you want. You know, you don't have to use the exact template that they give you. You know, it's just way easier to use it. You know, if you're in like a time crunch, it makes sense for you to just change the words on it instead of changing like, you know, the whole style of the whole template. So once you're done with all the changes, if you want to see how it looks, you hit the play all scene. So there is a second part to this that I forgot to change. It looks like this is the second part. Okay, so I click the second part, then I hit advanced timeline again. Alrighty, so I don't even need the second part, to be honest with you, so I can just go ahead and hit basic timeline, hit the 3 dots, and hit delete. Same thing again, hit the 3 dots, hit delete, because I do not need this second part. If I had multiple products that had to do with the same thing, I might use the second and third slot, but I just like the 6-second video because it's going to be for an ad. So of course, just play the all scene again to make sure you like it. Make sure to export your video by hitting this thing in the corner. It says export. Now here's where you can download it 1080p once it is done downloading. And boom, that is how you create a quick advertisement, quick Instagram post, Facebook story. That's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, leave a comment. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like. And if you do subscribe, click the bell icon. That way you get notified if I upload new videos. Yes guys, this is really bad weather, so I'm gonna go ahead and sleep now.